SQL support. The following detail shows which integrity constraints comes under SQL support and which constraints does not comes under SQL support. SQL does not support type constraints. A type constraint specifies the legal values for a given type or domain and is checked during invocation of the corresponding selector. SQL does not support attribute constraints. An attribute constraint specifies the legal values for a given attribute and cannot possibly be violated if type constraints are checked. SQL does not support relational constraints. A relational constraint specifies the legal values for a given relation and is checked when the relation in question is updated. SQL does not support database constraints. A database constraint specifies the legal values for a given database and is checked when the database in question is updated. SQL integrity constraints. Integrity constraints are used to apply business rules for the database tables. Integrity constraints provide a way to ensure the changes made to the database by authorized user do not result in data consistency. The constraints available in SQL are primary key, foreign key, not null, unique, and check. Constraints can be defined in two ways. The constraints can be specified immediately after the column definition. This is called a column level definition. The constraints can be specified after all the columns are defined. This is called a table level definition. SQL primary key. Primary key defines a column or combination of columns which uniquely identifies each row in the table. Syntax to define a primary key at column level. Primary key, column name. Syntax to define a primary key at table level. Primary key, column name 1, column name 2, and so on. Column name 1, column name 2 are the names of the columns which define the primary key. Example: to create books table with primary key constraint, the query would be like primary key at column level, create table books, ISBN char 15, title char 50, author char 30, quantity in stock, integer, price, real, pub, year, integer, primary key, ISBN. SQL foreign key or referential integrity. The constraint identifies any column referencing the primary key in another table. It establishes a relationship between two columns in the same table or between different tables. If a column to be defined as a foreign key, it should be defined as a primary key in the table which it is referring, that is, the parent table. Syntax to define a foreign key at column level. Foreign key, column name, references a referenced table name. Example: let us use the orders table with customer and books table. Foreign key at column level. Create table orders, ISBN char 15, customer ID char 10, quantity integer, order date date, delivery date date, primary key ISBN, customer ID, foreign key ISBN, references books, foreign key customer ID, references customers. SQL not null constraint. This constraint ensures all rows in the table contain a definite value for the column which is specified as not null, which means a null value is not allowed. Syntax to define a not null constraint. Constraint, constraint name, not null. Example: to create a customers table with a single column as not null value, the query would be like create table customers, customer ID char 10, customer name char 20, constraint not null, address char 30, card number char 10.